My name is Scott Murphy, and I just recently completed MRC, this is Minnesota Resource Center's, a soldering certification course in something that's in a manufacturing core discipline. This is going to give me an opportunity to enter the electronic assembly and inspection areas. My certification is a certified IPC specialist, and within that we have two major certifications I just want to emphasize here, and that's going to be the J standard and the IPC 610. And right now I want to take a little time and just demonstrate some of my skills on a circuit board that I have set up here for you. I'm going to be soldering a dip on this integrated circuit board. I've done some clinching of the component to the board. I've applied some flux, and I'm just going to put it in my little soldering vise here. I've taken the time to tin my soldering point, and I'm just going to go in and from the secondary side just put some solder on these terminal connections.